Hey guys, and we're going to be playing this Balloons to the Battles. I'm not sure what it quietly is. I know about it. It's about shooting. So let's do this quick play. Yeah. So let's check this out. Welcome to Balloons Battle TV Battles. In battles, you will win, and we do something in life. Okay. Okay, tutorial on the computer. So this is not the computer. But I think you could drag these things, right? Okay. Yeah. So this guy will be like shooting, I guess. Okay. 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 I could upgrade him. Yep, I could upgrade him. Okay, pow, 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 pow. Okay, let's see here. You have enough money to buy a cannon. Yeah. So I have enough money to buy a cannon. So let's see. Okay, we bought a cannon. Alright. Okay. Your opponent has a tech shooter, and they have. Okay, I don't care. All right. You have some cash. Why can't I like put him? All right. Upgrade and upgrade. Upgrade. All right. Okay. Okay, so, yep, this is what it really is, most likely about. It's not really much, it's just about, popping some balloons. I will be doing a whole series about this. This is just part one. Uh, this is just part one. Uh, yeah. So, yeah, so this is just gonna be part one. And, yeah. No. Alright. Oh, I gotta go here. Tech shooter. Wait, what do I need? Oh, this? This is a tech shooter. Okay. Okay, upgrade it. Uh, fast shooting, fast shooting. Okay, this ain't that bad. What I really need to upgrade is my freaking long range. And I do need to upgrade bigger bombs, missile, get there. I upgraded that. Let's see. Actually, super range. Okay. Yep. So that's what I'm doing right now. We're shooting. I like how the missiles are awesome. Okay, let's see if we could put you can make your balloons range increase your price. So I can. Isn't there like a super monkey, or do I have to like earn that? Let's put a monkey here. It's a backup monkey. It's a backup monkey, so, yep. There's a start, long distance. Good. It's a backup monkey. Yeah, so it's backup monkey. Let's buy another cannon. Lead balloons are resistant to attack darts, but bomb towers are easily blown up the outer layer. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's get another bomb tower. Is that what it's called? Bomb tower? I think it is. Alright. Camouflage balloons cost 3 times the normal price. Alright. Woo! Yeah, so this is what pretty much it is. Let's see here. Oh no. Now let's try to boost it. Your opponent doesn't have any camo popping defenses. Let's see how they deal with some camo pink balloons. Okay. Awesome, you won the first game. As you get better, soon your opponent there has a lot to learn that helps fun. Okay, let's go challenge the real opponents. Oh, my internet's terrible, man. Choose a tower. Right, there we go. I got that tower loadout. Oh, I'm ready to. Hold on. So I think this is actually a real opponent. He didn't set out anything yet. I'm gonna say hi to him. Yeah, so... So they're like, said... He said hi. Okay, let's see, let's set out. Oh wait, let's upgrade these guys. Bingo, dun dun dun. Okay, let's add a sniper. Yeah, I played this on the computer. Here. Okay. Well, look how many he gets. Like, he's just wasting his money. Alright. Here. OP's starting to upgrade his too. Let's see if he can deal. Oh, it's locked, so. See if he can deal those. Uh-oh, look. What's he over there? He gets a bomb tower. So he gets a bomb tower over there. Oh, we got bananas. Oh, he's collecting it. Can I? Nope. Okay. So this is what it really is, guys. It's really fun. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, that was a lot. Okay, that's a lot of balloons. Ah! Oh. About destroyed. Ah! Let's get him back. Oh, I'm defeated. Okay, I think that is gonna wrap it up. Okay. Okay. Hold on though. I think that's gonna wrap it up, guys, for today. Bye.